Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can grow your garden and grow a garden on Roblox. So first, if you don't have a lot of money, just go to the seed section and buy the cheapest one first. Like I went from carrot and now I have a lot of money. Someone did give me a lot of their fruit that you can sell. So here I'm, for instance, just going to buy the tomato one. I'm going to go back to the garden. I'm going to find that tomato seed. And I'm just going to plant some here. How you plant it is pretty much up to you. And once everything has grown, so for starters, I think you should go for carrot and then strawberry and then blueberry and then so on and so forth. If you have enough money, just press claim on everything. If your inventory is full, just sell it first. Go back to sell and then sell stuff. And then I want to sell my inventory. And that is how you can grow your garden here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Oh my gosh, it's very hard to get the coconuts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.